Welcome to Maths with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
In this sum, it is given sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. This is equal to tan theta. We will go by taking LHS. LHS is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. We can take the sin theta common here. Sin theta will give us 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by, here cos theta common, 2 cos square theta minus 1. We know that 1 is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. So, where all we are having 1, here in the numerator and denominator, we will replace this sin theta as it is. In place of 1, I will write sin square theta plus cos square theta. Here this is minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos theta. You are having 2 cos square theta minus is there. So, we use the bracket to write this. This is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Whenever there is a negative sign, use the bracket to avoid the mistake. Now, this is sin theta. We can write it cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta divided by, this is cos theta. Here we will get 2 cos square theta plus into minus minus sin square theta minus cos square theta. Here if we see, we are having sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta, that will get cancelled. We can subtract that. We will subtract this. We are having minus 2 sin square theta plus sin square theta will give us minus sin square theta. Similarly here, we are having 2 cos square theta and minus cos square theta. So, plus 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta will give us cos square theta. So, we can replace this in the numerator. Now, I am left with sin theta cos square theta as it is. Sin square theta, you will get minus sin square theta, because minus 2 sin square theta plus sin square theta will give you minus sin square theta. Cos theta as it is, 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta will give us cos square theta minus sin square theta. These two get cancelled. You left with sin theta by cos theta, which is nothing but tan theta, our RHS.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
In this sum, it is given sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. We should get 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Tan and cot are also involved with cosecant and secant. We know 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square A, 1 plus cot square A is cosecant square A. So, we take LHS, which is sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. We apply A plus B whole square formula for both of them. We will get sin square A, which is A square, for B square cosecant square A plus 2 into sinA into cosecant A. Similarly, for this, we get cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 into cos A into secant A. Now, sin square A plus cos square A, we can bring them together. Sin square A plus cos square A. Next is secant square and cosecant square A. Secant square A plus cosecant square A. Now we have left with these two, which is plus 2 times sin A into cosecant A plus 2 times cos A into secant A. Now we will apply the formula for all this. Now we know that here sin square A plus cos square A will give us 1. What is secant square A? Which is nothing but 1 plus tan square A. And what is cosecant square A? Which is 1 plus cot square A. And similarly, cosecant A is nothing but 1 by sin A. And secant A is nothing but 1 by cos A. We just replace the things here, we will reach our answer. Sin square A plus cos square A will give us 1 plus secant square A, we have the formula here. Cosecant square A, we have the formula here. We write in place of secant square A 1 plus tan square A, because on the right hand side we want tan square A. In place of cosecant square A 1 plus cot square A plus 2 into sin A as it is. What is cosecant A? Nothing but 1 by sin A. And what is secant A? Nothing but 1 by cos A. We can just replace them. Here sin A goes, cos A goes. So, whatever is left out, here 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Here these two got cancelled, 2, these two got cancelled, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. So 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A, which is our RHS.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe.